Hi everyone! Today my assembly and review of this tree from Walmart is coming right up. Hi, it's Kay with Modest Me Designs. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do DIY projects, home decor, and home organization. Well everyone, I decided that I wanted a new tree this year. And after a little searching around, I decided on this 7.5-foot pre-lit tree from Walmart. My holiday time tree is a flocked Birmingham fir tree and was priced at $169. Again, it is 7.5 feet tall, has 400 pre-strung clear lights, 1,336 memory wire PVC tips, and is a little over 4 feet in diameter. In addition to these features, it also has 40 natural pine cones, a metal tree stand is included, it has pre-attached hinged branches, and an extra sturdy top branch for the tree. It is labeled as T-49 and it has clear lights. The assembly starts with this stand and it comes flat folded, and all you have to do is make the two pieces of the stand perpendicular to each other and line up the holes and insert 3 screws. And this picture shows what that looks like. Once the stand is together, the next step is to take section C, which has this pointed tip, and insert it into the stand. After that comes section B, which is labeled number 2 on this box, and section A, labeled number 3 on this box. I didn't have instructions included in my box, but it was easy to figure out that section A1, the top of the tree, got connected to section B2, the middle of the tree, and then B1 from the middle of the tree got plugged or connected into C2, which was the bottom section of the tree. And so here's my tree assembled together with the lights turned on, straight out of the box without any fluffing or shaping whatsoever. I think these memory wires are pretty fantastic. Now I've taken the time to fluff and shape the tree a little. And I found that most of the areas that needed to be fluffed were because the flocking made some of the branches stick together. So I actually had to separate them. And once separated, the tree kind of bounced right into shape. Please excuse the wire, that's just a temporary plug-in until I get a surge suppressor. Now to shape the tree, I found the memory wires were not easily bendable, so I had to grab them at the base and really pull them into place. So you'll have to be careful with that so that you don't break any. What I'm showing here is a section of the tree where I still need to do some shaping. There's a clear line there that shows where 2 parts of the tree meet. So I'll have to go back through and do a little more shaping, and then I'll show you my final results. So here's my tree, all fluffed and shaped, and I am so excited about it. It is just what I wanted. I wanted a tree with a nice triangular shape, but I didn't want it to look perfect. And the way the branches sit out on the sides, it's just really realistic to me. It looks like it's been trimmed and trimmed to perfection as far as I'm concerned. I like the fact that it's full, but there is still some space. So I have room for really large ornaments even at the top. but it's not so much space that I'm forced to fill it with ribbon and mesh. You know, I have a choice of whether or not I want to use it. And the best part of all is this. Look at the floor. That's all the flocking that fell on the floor. I've seen trees make a real mess with flocking just falling everywhere. And you see it's not very much. Even though my floor is light, you can see it's not very much flocking that fell to the floor. So this tree will retain its flocking for probably a very long time. And that's a good thing. So my tree is assembled, shaped, and ready to decorate. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, because you'll want to be notified when I get this tree decorated so you can see how beautiful it really can be. All right, thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll talk to you again real soon.